Look at that. Dude still needs his fucking sippy cup. Come on, bro. Oh, Reed. We're at the Mojito Company. It's a little dope bar. George done did it again. He trying to get us faded. Fuck it. The struggle to keep going, bro. Let's go. But we in there like swimwear, baby.
Baby, you ain't got shit I need, bitch. You want me to take my time with you, maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your lead. You ain't got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too speed, bitch. I can be rolling, bitch. Everybody notice me. I can even go to see. I'm rolling on the beat. They try to give me $8 on my knees like Jesus, please. You only believe in Jesus. Why you got Jesus, please? If you wanna lead, just lead. But you ain't gotta lie to me. Even if I can see, boy, but you ain't gon' ride for me. You're showing me the love you say you got for me. I'm so proud of you. My face wasn't in it. Damn, bitch, you stand so big. Bands in my head look pretty. Hit another band on the gram, I'm big.
Smoking loud, you heard? So much money, I'll make you laugh. If y'all fuck with
wanna woody. She wanna fuck with the woo. 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 Shawty wanna fuck me inside of the woo. I can take you out of here, we're fucking jet fare. Versace hotel, Versace roll. Get the bus. If I ain't enough, go get the chop.
I know what y'all want to hear.
Box.
Give them what they want.
Yeah, the box. Caleb, you got this.
She suck a nigga soul. Turn on wipe a nigga nose. Trying to work towards these bloods, but the devil keep interfering. Everybody go through something, it's all about perseverance. They was counting me out. I put passion in every lyric. Spent so right on my parents' side, know that they hate. I'm the man they turn to hate.
Lil Durk, Travis. Lil Durk, Travis. But it's Gunna and Young Thug right now. Which one? But y'all see this? It's live, baby. It's live. Seen the one and only Johnny Dang in the motherfucking crowd. He out here. He got his security with him and everything. Glistening too. Where's the big bro at, man? We gotta go. What they doing? What they doing? Fuck that. I gotta go to Travis. I gotta see that. Dirk, y'all doing this thing though. Y'all see it? He got that shit jumping.
You
came out of my own pocket to pay the fine for tonight's curfew. I don't give a fuck about no curfew. I get those goosebumps every time you come up. In my mind, you make everything feel fine. That's right. That's right. It's right through. Right through. Pick it up.
Fucking chaos right now. Everybody trying to leave now. Travis just performed. He did his motherfucking thing. And we ain't gonna leave this bitch till shit. Another 2 hours. Let's leave. Watch.